In WhatsApp, when you are sending any video, if you want to mark anything in that video, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to mark anything in video before sending in WhatsApp. For this, first what we need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the contact to which you want to send video. For example, I am selecting this contact. After that, select the video. To select video, what you need to do is either you can click on this pin like button. When you are clicking on that, you can see camera and gallery option. If you want to record new video, click on camera and start recording. Or you can click on gallery and select video from your gallery. Or here you can see camera button, click on this button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see option to record video. For that, long press on this button. When you are long pressing, video recording will be started. Or if you want to select video from your gallery, here you can see that option. From here, you can select whichever video you want. For example, I am selecting this video. After that, if you want to mark anything, what you need to do is click on this pencil like button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. From here, you can change marker color. For example, I am selecting black color. You can select whichever color you want. And if you want, you can change brush style also. For that, click on this button, and from here you can select whichever brush you want. For example, I am selecting this brush. After that, if you want to mark anything, from here you can mark anything. And if you want to go back, here you can see back button. When you are clicking on that, last thing that you have done will be removed. Anyways, I am marking here. After that, above you can see done button. Click on this done button. After that, to send this video, click on this send button. When you are clicking on that, that video will be sent. So this way you can easily mark anything in video before sending in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.